Hello, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hope you all are good. So, we are studying about the Windows application, and I think you got about the Windows application. Maybe this is the starting of our courses, so some of you people are facing difficulty. Don't worry about it because this is the new thing, so after some time it will be adjusted. Last class I explained to you about the one program to add two number using console using Windows application. I'm and this file I share with you using the console. So the same program, whatever is there, same all the program we will do using Windows application. All program we will do using Windows application. Okay. Okay. So this program I did it two number, and now subtraction, multiplication, division you do yourself. This program I am going to write a program to find simple interest using Windows application. Okay. Okay, my Visual Studio is open. So what I am going to do, I am going to add one new form. Okay, because in this form we already did one program, so I am going to add one new page. Okay, one new page. How to add? Let us see it. Go to project, add Windows form, and select this Windows form, and this is the form name is form 2. If you want to give your name you can give, otherwise no problem, they will take name. Okay, so form is added here, you know this. Now I want to change the background color of this form because this color I do not like, so I want to change it. So back color, and my back color is I am using this one. My color is change. That this one, this little dark, and I'm changing my font size also, and font size will be 2. First we will write the heading. To write the heading will take one label, and in the label I will write the heading. Heading, what I will write the heading? Heading is this program is for where is the text property? This is the text property. PROGRAM program to CALCULAT calculate simple INTREST, simple interest formula, not writing. Okay, for this what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it bold, and for color also I'm going to change so that you will also understand. For color is change, and the formula of simple interest is, if you open this you will find the formula of simple interest is SI equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. So we have three input, P, T and R. Three input. So for this three input we will take three text box. What we will take? We will take the three text box. Go to this, and 1, 2 and 3. So one text box, two text box, and this is the three text box. And for this all these three text box I have to write the label, I have to write the caption. So we'll take the label control, 1, 2 and 3 label, and one label is for the result, so I'm taking all together. If you want to take all together you take, otherwise you take one by one. This is for enter the P, enter the R and enter the, go to the properties and write it. The caption, what will write? Enter principal amount. This is the principal amount, and we can adjust, you know. This is for what? time always in air, and please enter the rate percent. And what need to do, we need to take one button in which we will calculate it, and this is the button is available. In this button I will write the text. What text? Calculate. Okay, design finish. Design finish. After the design, we'll write the code. Where? On the button click, double click the button, and we will get the area to write the code. Now what we will do, we will declare the variable. How many variable we will declare? We will declare the 4 variable, 3 for the input and 1 to calculate the simple interest. So integer p comma t comma r comma si. See the coding, if we are talking about the code of the console and Windows application, it is little difference. Variable declaration is the same. In the Windows application, we are not going to write the information, please enter the value or enter the number, whatever, because here is there, here is design is available, and we are only taking the data, right? And instead of the writing console.readline, we are writing the name of the control.text, and the calculation is the same. Display result is not same actually. Here we are displaying result in the label, so this is a little different. After this, what I will do, I will take the data. I will take the data from the text box. So be careful. From where we will take the P, check the name of the text box. What is the value of T, from which text box it is coming, we have to check. Otherwise, you know, if instead of the P, the T value will come, result will change. And R. So I'm going, this is, I know this is the 1, and this is the 2, and this is 3, I know. If you are confused, you check it. So what I will write here, p equal to convert dot to int 32, and this is the text box 1 dot text. Remember, you have to write all the information from the intelligence box. If you will write from your own hand, there is a chance of the error, okay, because this language is case sensitive language. Some letter is in the capital, some is in the small, so be careful. P, then t equal to convert dot to int 32, and we will have the text box 2 dot text, and r equal to what, convert dot to int 32, and we will have the text box 3 dot text. Value taken. Now we will calculate it. SI equal to P into T into R by 100, and printing result, where will print result in the label 5, because this is the label 5. Label 5 dot text equal to SI dot to string. I told you in the previous. Finish, run it, F5. One problem, I added another page, and when I run, the first page is coming. Here in the Windows application, the start page is fixed. Okay, start page is fixed. So now our start page is form 1. This is form 1. But what I want to make form 2 as a start page. So I will tell you how to change the start page. Go to Solution Explorer, open program.cs, and here we have application.run is form 1. I will make it 2. And now close it, click yes and close it. Now if I will run, Now my second page will run. So always know how many times I will run our application, the second page will be available. Okay. So remember, in the Windows application, every time we need to change the start page if we are going to add new page. If we are not going to add the new page, then no need to change. So principal amount I am going to give 1000, time I am going to give 2, and the rate I am going to give 2. So the answer will come, you know what? Answer will come 40. 40. Okay. So we need to, if you want to change, you want to put the rate 5, answer will change. If you want to change the principal amount, you can change. No need to run again and again like console application. Okay. So this is the second Windows application program. Now I don't think so need to explain you any other program. Now the better is you practice yourself all the programs. Whatever program I give to you for the console application, you do using the Windows application. If you have any problem, please let me know, or if need, I will create another video for any other program using Windows application.